Hi there! Today we're doing 3 simple and high-end DIY IKEA hacks. I'm An, this is Mars, and today we're flipping these simple and budget IKEA products and we're turning them into beautiful and functional pieces that you will actually like and use around your home. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Plus, that way you'll help us keep making these videos for you. Now we're starting right off with the first project, and for this one we're going to need the EKET Cabinet from IKEA. I'm actually planning on doing storage for Mars's toys with this one, but you can use it for storing anything you want. The EKET cabinet actually comes in so many different colors, so you can choose your favorite. I opted for this darker wood one. Also, they come in 2 dimensions. I got the bigger one, but you could also go with the smaller one. After assembling the cabinet, which was so easy and took me only like 5 to 10 minutes, it's now time to add the finishing touch, and that is adding wheels. I actually got these ones from IKEA and we are attaching them at the bottom of the cabinet, so let's do it. And now, are you ready to see how my storage on wheels turned out? For the second project, I actually decided to recreate a DIY I wanted to do for such a long time. I saw this one on Pinterest. This candle holder looks so good, and trust me, you'll be stunned by how simple this DIY is. Now first, we're going to need some sort of zipper bags. I'm using these ones from IKEA, but you can use any bags you want in any size. I'm also using this candle holder from IKEA, but you can use any candle holder you like, or even a tea candle itself. No need for candle holder. So first things first, we are mixing the plaster. I'm adding the water first, and I'm gradually adding the plaster to it, mixing simultaneously. You can absolutely do this with cement too, but I had plaster at home, so we're using that. And of course, I quickly switched to a bigger bowl. I mean, what was I thinking? And once the plaster is mixed, all that we need to do is just pour the plaster into the bag. This can be a messy process, so make sure to do it on a protected surface. Once I filled the back with plaster, I'm adding the candle holder in the middle and I'm pressing it with a tile I had at home. You can also add anything that's a bit heavy, like a heavier book or something like that. Now, although this was a quick drying plaster and it actually hardened after just a few minutes, I left it to dry completely overnight. The next day, all that was left to do was remove the back, so let's do it. And for the last project, I'm actually recreating a DIY I have done in my living room previously, and now we're doing it in my office. We're actually using this IKEA dish rack and we're turning it into a floating bookshelf. You'll get the idea pretty soon. So first, I'm marking where I want the bookshelf to start. And let me tell you, my first thought was to attach the bookshelf to the wall using screws. However, after an unsuccessful attempt to drill into the wall, I decided to use a montage kit glue. This is basically like liquid nails. It's super strong, so I'm going with it. Anyways, I added a generous amount of glue before fixing it to the wall and making sure it's level. I repeated the same process for all of the racks. I'm using 3 of them, but you can absolutely go bold and use as many as you like. Now we're leaving it to dry overnight, and the next morning all that is left to do is just arrange the books, so let's do it. And that's a wrap for today. I really hope you liked my IKEA hacks. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Mine was definitely the candle holder. It looks so good and I can't wait to make more for my friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars! Hi, buddy! Oh my god, you're awake! You're awake! I think I know why. Because I have treats in my hand. One of your favorite treats, actually, these little sausages. Right, Mars? Did you like the toy storage I made for you? You sure do. Here you go. Guys, do you follow us on Instagram? If you don't, please do, because we are posting so much of Mars. Right, buddy? Okay, last one. You're so cute. Okay, straight back to sleep. Bye-bye.